Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make your website stand out with a cool hero slider. And guess what? We're making it super easy with a plugin called Block Slider Pro. You can find the plugin link in the video description below, so don't forget to check it out. Now, let's get started. After installing the plugin, head over to your WordPress dashboard. You'll notice a new menu called Block Slider. Click on Add New to start creating your slider. Here, you'll find various options. For this tutorial, we'll build a slider from scratch, so select From Scratch. Now, you'll have a blank slider canvas to work on. Let's begin by adding a cover block inside the slider for the background image. In the settings, remove the overlay and set the minimum height. Inside the cover block, add a heading block and align it to the center. Change the heading to H4E and type in your desired text. Customize the color and typography as needed. Repeat the same process for another heading. Next, let's add an image below the headings. Finally, add a paragraph block for any additional text you want to include. Lastly, add controls so viewers can navigate between slides. Once you're done with the first slide, duplicate it and modify the content for subsequent slides. After all the slides are ready, adjust the slider settings according to your preferences. Now that your slider is ready, let's add it to a page. Go to the desired page, add a block slider block, enter a name for your slider, set it to full width, and publish the page. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dynamic slider in WordPress using Block Slider Pro. For more details, and to download the plugin, check out the link in the video description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.